Hey guys, so today I'm doing a video on audio recording. I really want to bring better quality content for you guys, and so while I do have nice cameras, say for example the GoPro 360 Max, right now I'm recording this on my Canon M200 EOS system, which is a mirrorless vlogging camera. Quality video is definitely a huge part of it, but audio is extremely important as well. So right now you're currently listening to me talking on the camera. I'm sure it's not that bad, but it could be better, right?
Enter the Zoom H1n. I bought this little audio recorder because I wanted to bring you guys better quality content. I thought to myself, well, the POV videos that I'm doing look great because I'm using the GoPro, it's 4K, but the audio kind of sucks. And if I look left or right, the wind hits the mic really hard, and you know, you can hear that when I'm riding around. So I thought, now I can get a nice quality audio recorder, throw it in my pocket. It's got this little windscreen on here, and I can get rich, deep sounds of the exhaust, but no wind. And even now, I'm using the GoPro 360 Max, and I'm sure it sounds great, but you know, the further away, the louder I have to get. The closer I am, obviously you can hear me a lot better. But with the Zoom H1n, now you can hear my audio consistently and a lot smoother. I'm sure this sounds way better than the actual microphone. I can't hear it right now because I'm outside, but once I get into post-production, then I can listen to everything, and I'm sure this sounds way better. Switching back over to the microphone over here on the camera, but I just wanted to show the connection here, that it works with any type of regular tripod. So now I have essentially a nice boom mic. Actually, I can go ahead and hit record. Now I'm back on the H1n. It's a little tripod that I picked up on Amazon. This thing's pretty slick though. So now I can go ahead and put this by the exhaust, and you can listen to the exhaust while I record it from obviously a different camera. So let's go ahead and try that now. All right, so I'm gonna hit record. That is now recording. Let's turn this bad boy on. Of course I need keys. So right now you're listening to the audio on the GoPro. I'm sure it doesn't sound bad, but let's go ahead and switch over to the H1n. right, guys, that's it for me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review on the Zoom H1n. Hopefully the audio is a lot better, and I'll bring you guys more content. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.